Hey foodies, a blessed good day to you all. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen, I'll be sharing a recipe for these hot honey pineapple chicken wings. Let's get started. Alright guys, now let's start by making our sauce. So to a saucepan, I added some butter, allowed that to melt. And then I followed up with some pineapple preserves. I did go in with my hand blender and blend it a bit because it was kind of chunky and I wanted a smooth consistency. Then I added some pineapple juice and I followed that up with a little bit of hot sauce. Then I went in with some honey and I added a pinch of salt just to balance everything out. If you don't have a problem with color, you can add a little soy sauce in place of salt. So you want to mix everything well to combine and allow this to just come up to a simmer or a boil. Once it comes up to a simmer, you want to add some cornstarch just to thicken it up. Now you can let this thicken on its own, but you will lose some of the sauce. So I like to add cornstarch just to keep the amount of sauce because I love a lot of sauce and it will thicken with the cornstarch. So once that is done, you want to set it aside and we will go ahead and start seasoning our wings. So here I have some wings and I will use some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, some paprika and some seasoned salt. You want to just add that to your chicken along with a little bit of oil. And just make sure it's very well combined. We will cover, set it aside, and allow to marinate for about 2 hours or so. After about 2 hours, we'll go ahead and fry the wings naked. We will not use no butter or breading on this. So we'll fry them up. Fry it to your desired texture. If you like them fried hard, go ahead and do about 12 minutes or so. If you don't like it hard, you could do 8 minutes or 10 minutes. So once they're done, remove, set aside, and then I will show you what we'll do next. Once the wings are fried, you want to just coat with that sauce and just go ahead and toss them really well. And that's it guys, quick, easy and simple. And when I tell you this sauce was amazing on those wings, it was chef's kiss. So give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy.